To add vocals to an instrumental track on Suno AI is fairly simple. You're going to open up Suno and then you're going to navigate to your library. From here, you're going to then find the instrumental track and you're going to select the three dots next to it. Choose the option Edit, and then under Edit, you should see the option Add Vocal. Now, if you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to use this feature, but if you do have a subscription, you can go ahead and select it. Then wait for it to open up in editing mode. Then from here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and come to the lyrics section. Now you can choose to either write lyrics, so if you have some available, or if you have a prompt for lyrics that you'd like to put, you can go ahead and input the prompt. You can also choose whether you want it classical or if you want to use the new version of the creative model. It's completely up to you. Then when you finish with that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to input the styles if you really want to. And you can even just have more options and just customize what you want, specifically when it comes to the vocal gender, the influence of the instrumental soundtrack, the style influence, as well as the weirdness. Once you've done all of that, you're just going to go ahead and select create, and now you'll have your original instrumental track and you'll have another one that has vocals added to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.